Hey, it's TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success, and I want to welcome you to the DFS Music Academy. This isn't about play-alongs or lessons. It's about building a community where musicians can grow and connect and thrive. Inside DFS Music Academy, you'll find a powerful collection of content designed to help you become not just a better musician, but a more confident and creative artist. We're talking about weekly play-alongs and multiple tempos, lessons to help you build your skills step by step, lessons that dive into technique, groove, and the mindset you need to succeed. Live streams where we're connected in real time, answers to your questions, and growth together. Music production tutorials to expand your creativity, and most importantly, a mentorship experience that's about support and growth and community. Joining the DFS Music Academy is more than just about subscribing to content. It's about becoming part of a family dedicated to help you reach your full potential as a musician and as a person. We're here to help you grow together. So if you're ready to level up and be a part of something bigger and take your musical journey to the next level, join us inside DFS Music Academy and let's make a difference together. I'm TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success, helping you to make a difference one beat at a time. Peace.
Drums for Success.